If you are watching this video, you have probably learned about our duct cleaning services we offer at Blue Diamond Group. Regular duct cleaning not only enhances indoor air quality but also extends the life of your HVAC unit. In this video, we will take a deep dive into our process from start to finish. Team arrives at the site. They wear gloves and masks while ensuring all equipment is properly covered for a safe and efficient cleaning process. Our process begins with the thorough inspection of your duct system after removing a grill, identifying any dust, particles, contaminants, or blockages in the duct. For added protection, we apply an eco-friendly disinfecting and sanitizing solution, eliminating bacteria and preventing future buildup. To explore the difference before and after cleaning the ducts. Lastly, we refit the grill and check the incoming of fresh air, which is our high priority. This is all about cleaning air ducts. If you are looking to have your ducts clean, call us today. We are available in Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah, Al Ain, and Ras Al Khaimah. Thanks for watching.